Miguel, lagi na nga lang ako nag-iisa. Okay. Excuse me, do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't have a boyfriend right now.
Do we have a crown? Thank you very much. Shara Joyce, Agustin Buat. Thank you, very well said. Gagaling naman. Bitong number 7 from Bohol, please welcome very lovely Ligones. Hello, Mary, kumusta?
I'm doing great, Papi. Because I believe that my being in the matter final is part of God's providential plan. I just really feel so good.
Kinuwento mo na yung buhay mo. Okay lang, that's good. Kasi ano yung nanonood ang bumundo sa'yo?
Sige, sige, sige.